the memory maze virus escape. So this game has been developed as a part of the computer programming unit for um, for the code BBT 4106, specifically in the year 2025. So we built this game in Unity following all the requirements, and I think we've tried to closely align it with theme, the theme being lost in computation. So our game, as you will see very shortly, takes place in a broken or corrupted like digital space, a memory maze. Everything from the environment design to the story progression reinforces the idea of being lost in computation. So the game features four levels of increasing difficulty, for now at least, for the demo. So these levels are procedurally generated using the um, process maze uh, generator script. So um, this here being the script to generate the different walls. This is a script that yeah, we used, and each level has its own unique maze layout, as you will see in the demo video. It requires collecting a specific number of memory fragments, has different virus speeds and environmental challenges. And the final level introduces a dramatic element, like alarms, lights, and earthquakes, just to show like the clear progression of challenge and complexity. So for the game UI, we placed a strong focus on user experience. So we used Text Mesh Pro, giving it a readable and glitch styled appearance. So the story screen uses like a typewriter effect to slowly reveal text for immersion. Um, from camera transitions to glow effects, we tried to really smoothen out the and create a cyber themed user experience. So the core gameplay is simple. The rules are collecting memory fragments and avoiding the virus. Upon collecting all memory fragments, it opens up a portal, and the conflict comes from the virus chasing the player in real time, and players can fight back temporarily using uh, EMP pickups, uh, which can disable the virus for a few seconds. So to gather new players, we included like story transitions and instructions at the start of each level, and these kind of could provide a context for brief tutorials in a way that feels natural. So yeah, so from sound design, I think I let the sound designer continue from there on.
So for sound design, it played a really major role, and what we implemented is each collectible had an had a unique pickup sound. The portal emits. So for the design process and the sound is for the sound is for the sound design, each collectible plays a unique pickup sound. The portal emits ambient humming and activation cues, and level 4 introduces emergency alarms and dramatic audio as one is about to lose and as they get closer to the player. Then the animations and the visual effects. We used several visual tools to bring polish to the game. We used gems and EMPs to animate with spin, scale, and glow effects. Portals have 3D beams, pulsing lights, and particles. And finally, lights change dynamically in dramatic moments, especially just as I said in level 4. Then, for the fun part and playability of our game, the gameplay is strategic thanks to the EMP pickups. We have it's dynamic because of the procedural levels, level 1, 2, 3, and 4, and it's replayable due to randomization. The play is constantly challenged, and no two runs feel exactly the same because it's basically a maze game. And also, finally, each member contributed to scripting, design, and testing and asset creation. We collaborated using GitHub for version control and maintained task organization using Trello and Notion. In conclusion, Memory Maze Virus game was a product of creativity, technical integration, and teamwork. We faced many challenges, but we were able to overcome, and using research and the tools that were provided, we were able to come up with a game that reflects the objectives of unit and brings to life the idea of getting lost in computation through gameplay and story design. So that's basically our game. Thank you for your time.